Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. So you can see here when I'm trying to log in my channel on YouTube, so you can see here other accounts and error occur, tap to retry. So how can you fix this type of problem? Firstly, you have to make sure that you have an updated version of YT Studio. For that, what you have to do is just simply open Play Store and you have to search for YT Studio, and here you can see it's updated. Then you have to check that your YouTube is also updated, so you can see here it's already updated, and you can see here I am still facing this type of problem. So let me tell you that this is a bug from YouTube, so you don't need to do anything to fix this problem. Just simply wait till the YouTube fix this problem, because this is a bug. So let me tell you that this bug is in just Android phone, because I have iPhone and I checked on iPhone, this type isn't available in iPhone. So in Android phone you can face this type of problem, in iPhone you can't face this type of problem. So let me tell you that you have to log in your account in iPhone to run your channel, and in case of Android phone you have to wait till the problem automatically will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.